Hey guys, thank you for watching my metrical videos. This is Angela Fernandez. I hope you are safe at home. And well, today I am going to address a very serious issue that is very prominent in the entire globe, and this is something really close to me as well, because I have also been vulnerable for it. And now that I see that situation has just crossed its limit of, and people have become so inhuman of doing things and making things worse. Yes, you guessed it right, I'm talking about racism and George Floyd's death. Well, I really wanted to make this video last week, but then I was busy, I could not make it. But I really want to talk about it because my heart bleeds, aches, it is heavy because of what has happened to him. Guys, people facing color for racism is been very much evident for decades now. People have been facing it. You know, there's one thing that I have even faced, because even I am a person who has a dark skin. Please do not go on my skin tone in this video, because this is a Oppo phone, and Oppo is designed in certain way that the face of a person tends to look fair, but I am not fair. I am a dark skin person. So you know what happened, because even I've been facing this since my childhood, and I've seen how racism, how colorism has been issue. Telling a dark person, you know, this is something I've noticed, telling a dark person that you're dark, or criticizing their personality, their color, or the way they look is one thing, but lynching someone, where is the humanity in human gone? Is that even a solution for anything? This really saddens me to the core of my heart, and I, you know, it urged me to speak on this topic so much that I want people to understand that it really hurts. And my prayers are with George Floyd's family. My heart goes out to him. Guys, please understand, you need to understand that even, you know, the black people, the dark people, they are humans too. They have sentiments too. How can you lynch someone on the street, and where he's pleading for, you know, he's pleading for water, he's pleading for mercy? How can you be so inhuman? I want this to stop, and I want to tell you guys that there are few things which we can, there are few actions which we can take to stop this happen in future. And there would be, and if an individual tries to do it, there would be definitely a change to it. So guys, my first thing to it would be, the very most important point is Black Lives Matter. Lives matter. You cannot kill someone. Your entire purpose of existence in this earth is to be humans. I think that we being youth need to educate a society in a way that when they grow up, and the future, when our future comes into a role play in this country, or in this earth, on this earth, they will see the change, and they will not see racism the way we are facing now. Guys, saying that I am not a racist is still a racist, and saying just not being a racist is not enough. You really need to act upon it. It really saddens me. Like recently, I would like to give an example of this thing that is happening in our country, and I belong from a South Asian family, like a South Indian family. It is so prominent here that once I was sitting with my cousin brother. So क्या ही हो गया कि he came to me and he was like कि Didi, there was this baby there was a new baby that was born, and he came to me and he was like, Didi, I think ना वो baby जो है ना वो dark skin है, काली है. I was like कि how does that even matter, brother? You cannot say like this. This is wrong. You being literate, he is in 10th standard, I guess, and you know, I feel that this is all conditioning. The way people educate someone is how they perceive things. So my important point would be that education is important. Educating people, our future generation is really important against racism. My next point would be that, guys, equality is really important at any cost, be it white people or black people, be it a female or a male. Equality is important, and we need to join hands together, just so we be together to fight this thing that is happening in the entire globe. And one person can definitely be a change, and you need to act upon it. Because there's one thing I've learned, that the love has no gender, and a people who is dark skin should not be constrained just for their dark skin. There are other things that matters the most, that is, they're humans. My last point to conclude this video would be, guys, I choose to be unconventional, and I urge you guys also to be unconventional. We've been, मतलब कब तक हम वही चीज़ें करते आएंगे जो लोग कर रहे हैं, और हमें वो रिजल्ट मिलते रहेगा जो हमें हमेशा मिला है. So let's be unconventional and choose to be different and fight against racism and colorism in the country. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more videos on colorism, please comment me on the below comment section. And till then, be safe, be kind, and strike a balance. Thank you. Bye.